Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Committee on Naga Political Issue. The Nagaland government has constituted a Political Affairs Committee, that is PAC, comprising ministers and legislator party leaders of all political parties in the state assembly to find an inclusive solution to the Naga political issue. The PAC was constituted under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Nephew Rio. In line with all this, all the legislator party leaders have been directed to initiate the formation of political consultative committees. The Government of India and Naga political groups have entered into a ceasefire since 1997 and held separate talks with different groups for a solution to the vexed political problem. After almost 70 rounds of talks, the centre entered into a framework agreement with NSCN-IM in 2015 and also signed the agreed position with the Working Committee of Naga National Political Groups in 2017. In October 2019, the then centre's interlocutor for Naga peace talks and Governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, had declared that talks had concluded. However, the state has not accepted the NSCN-IM's persistent demand for a separate flag and constitution of the Nagas. Now is the time for practice question. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of Political Affairs Committee on Naga issue? Nephew Rio, Amit Shah, Conrad Sangama or Narendra Modi? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.